We've been driving the car in Santa mode since it's Christmas. It helps you get into the spirit. Our car is the Santa sleigh, and the other cars show as reindeers on the navigation map when you're in Santa mode. And then when there are other people around the car, they show up as little elves. We're going to pick up one of the grandkids from school, and when we get there, I'll show you what it does. We're about to go. Here's the blinker plays as jingle bells. Waiting on the rider line to stop. Here's Santa. And yes, there's Rudolph. We're getting ready to move forward. The grandkids have really enjoyed playing with the Santa mode. Here we go. Pickup line. Takes a little bit. It's amazing how early some of the people get up here to get in line. All the reindeer on the left are cars parked over there for the teachers. The reindeers are other cars. And we see our first little elf. When the car cameras see a person, they put an elf up on the screen. When we get to moving here pretty quick to the front of the school, we'll see a lot of little elves. And then we'll pick up our little elf. A lot of them showing up. There's our elf on the shelf. We got our little elf picked up, and we're headed to enjoy the Christmas season. Thanks for watching.